What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bob Can Cut, and I'm back with another tutorial for y'all today. Today I'm going to be doing a transformation on one of my clients. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm just cutting him down with the 2-guard, removing all the buck. Said he going back to his waves. So I'm just using my wall seniors with the 2-guard, just knocking the buck down. I'm going to be cutting it down to a 1.5, but I'm just doing this to be on the safe side. And plus, after I get finished with the 2-guard, I'm gonna be washing his hair, shampooing it. Then we're gonna come back. Okay, I already washed and shampooed it. Now I'm gonna be going in with my 1-guard all the way open on my magic clips. Okay, we getting them cut down to that one open. After we finish with this, we're gonna do a light brush session. Getting them cut down nice and even. Going over it multiple times. Making sure the hair lay down. Okay, right here we just giving them a little light brush session just to lay that hair down a little bit more. Like I said, he want to start his waves back. If y'all look closely, y'all will be able to see something in there a little bit at the back. So yeah, we just starting his waves off for him. After this, we're gonna jump into this back taper. Got our wall detailer's cordless setting in our first ball guideline. After we finish with this, we're gonna come back with our clipper open on the magic clips and set in another guideline about 1 inch. Y'all can already see the inch line already there. It's about 1 inch. Then what we do is to take this panel away, we put our clipper halfway, quarter, then close, and remove this panel. Right here I'm just working it closed. Then after we finish with this, we're gonna start the down fade. We're gonna jump to our biggest guard, which is our 1.5, and we're just gonna work that 1.5 all the way back down to the half guard and connect the two. Okay, right here we got our 1.5 guard all the way open, and what I said, we just gonna down fade. Just start at the top right below the occipital bone and just work our way down. We're gonna start with it open, then we're gonna go halfway, then close. There I go, put it halfway. Like I said, we down fading. Then we close it up, go right up under where we left off with it open. After we get finished with this 1.5 guard, we're gonna put the 1 guard on all the way open, and we're gonna work it to close. Open, halfway, close. Go halfway, just hitting this left side. There I go, closing up, just hitting this left side. Go to the right side, I open it back up. Then I close it halfway, and then I go all the way close with it. After we get finished with this 1 guard, we're gonna throw our half guard on. Do the same thing, bring the two together. I like using this down fading technique. I think I use it the most on majority of my cuts. It's real easy and simple. Just start with your biggest guard and work your way down. And I will be doing the same thing on the side taper too. Same steps. Y'all can see it's coming together real nice. Okay, right here we're gonna go ahead and fade the beard in. We're gonna start with our 3 guard. It's the same thing, reverse down fade. We start with our 3 guard. Then we're gonna work with our 2 guard, open to close. On the beard, I usually go open to close. I don't might go halfway with the half guard or something like that. But majority, I just go open to close. There we go with our 1.5 guard. Come back with our 1 guard. Same technique, we just reverse down fade. We're just working our way up instead of down though. On the beard fade. Then throw on my half guard. Then I finish it off with the clipper open. As soon as I get finished with that, I hop into the side taper. We're gonna be giving them a high taper. Close it up, set that ball guideline in. Come back with it open, set our next guideline in with the clipper open. But this time we ain't gonna go up that high, we're just gonna go like 1/4 of an inch. And his hair real thin, so it looked like it was already faded out. But I just close it halfway, then close it all the way and blend that panel out. Start with our 1.5 guard, all the way open. Go halfway, and then we close it up. Same steps as the back taper. Throw our 1 guard on. Go right up under where we left off with that 1.5 guard. Using our corners. Remember, you gotta use your corners. Work that from open to close, and then we come back with our half guard. Then we might do a little bit of detail work. Detail work is just using the corner of your clipper with the clipper open, just hitting little dark spots that you miss when you're going through your steps. Right here we got the half guard on. Just using our corners, blending it together, bringing the 2 panels together. Okay, right here we about to get into the lineup, just hitting them with some spritz. Start with this neck lineup. Hit this right side. Y'all already know I love my wall detailers. I switched my whole set over to wall. Y'all follow me on Instagram or Facebook or anything like that, y'all will see my setup. Switched it up to all wall. Gonna hit this left side. Got them things hitting straight out the box. I ain't even adjusted them or nothing. That's straight out the box, and I done been using them for about 2 weeks now. It's my 2nd pair. Y'all see that neckline? Okay, right here we hitting the front line up. We're gonna start in the middle and just work our way to the left. And we're gonna come back and work our way to the right. Hit that vertical bar. Come back and hit this right side. Just bringing it straight across. Then we're gonna hit this vertical bar. Then we're gonna connect the 2 corners. This transformation came out super clean. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section. He had a real light spot in his beard. That's why I chose to fade more into it so I could even it up with both sides. On that left side, y'all can see he had like a light spot. So I faded more into his beard so I could blend the two together, making sure they look both the same. Okay, we're gonna add some shaving gel. We're gonna hit this beard line.
Get off the field!
And after I hit this beard line, just watch how the whole haircut just pop. After you hit it one time with the shave gel, you want to brush it away and come back and hit it again. And y'all will be seeing the cut before the enhancements and after the enhancements. So the enhancements didn't make the cut, it just made the cut better. Y'all see that? Add some more shaving gel to this side, do the same thing. You want to make sure you brush that shave gel away, then come back and hit it again. Then after I apply the enhancements, I hit the line up again with the razor. And I did go and take my test for my barber license a couple weeks ago. I'm just waiting to get my letter in the mail to see if I passed or not to get my barber license. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be bringing y'all that news soon. Okay, right here we got our Sean Cuts enhancement card and my own mixture of Kiss black and brown. And we just use light enhancements, not a whole lot, just a tap. Just want to tap it, don't use a whole lot, and watch what you're doing. Just watch it come together. See, just a little tap, that's all you need. When he wake up in the morning, his haircut still gonna look the same as he did when he left the shop. I don't like to use a whole bunch of enhancements. It's just to bring the cut out just a little bit more. And we are nearing the end of the video. I'm gonna show y'all this before. Right here I got my Barber Magic pencil. And we just hitting the hairline and above the ear just to make that taper pop a little bit more and that hairline pop. After you add the Barber Magic pencil, you want to come back with your trimmer and make sure you shade it in. Don't just leave the line up there. Just make sure you come back and shade it in. That right there is my other pair of detailers. I got a clipper grinder blade on it. T-wide blade on that set. Then we come back and just hit this line up one more time. This transformation came out super clean. Show y'all what he looked like before. Here go the before. And here go the after. Please hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. And I'll be bringing y'all more tutorials soon. Remember, Bob can cut.